Hey, how's it going, guys? My name's Alex McLeod, and in this video I'm going to show you some stretches to help you sit in the semi-lotus position comfortably. This was requested by some folks at a class that I recently attended on SRI. If you would like to request a topic or a answer to a specific question, you could leave those in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to help us reach more people, you could leave a like, subscribe, or share this video with your friends. Most people cannot sit comfortably in the semi-lotus or the full lotus positions because they are very, very stiff-legged. And this is not saying anything bad. It just means that they're living a normal life. Because in daily life, as long as we are not actively stretching, our legs will get tighter and tighter from daily activities. So in order to sit in the most difficult seated positions for meditation there are, the semi-lotus and the full lotus, we need to do leg stretches. In this video, we're going to go over several different leg stretches that I like to do all together. In the school that I learned from, these exercises are called touch toes, 3 levels to the earth, dancing crane, carrying mountain, deep knee bends, and rotating knees. There are some other stretches that I will sometimes throw in there just because I feel like it. And if you want to add more stretches yourself, you can also do that as well. I will not be teaching these as Qigong exercises as they were taught to me, but just as leg stretching exercises, because it can be dangerous to teach a full Qigong exercise on a video like this without being able to give feedback to the people who are learning. Starting with the first exercise, we have touching toes. You're standing upright with your feet together, and you just bend down and touch your toes without bending your knees. If you wish to add breathing with it, you can breathe in as you lean forward and breathe out through the mouth as you stand up. Now on to the next exercise. We have 3 levels to the earth. Stand with feet about shoulder width apart and spread your arms straight out. Bend at the knees. Breathing in, going down, and out, coming up. Do this one 3 times. For dancing crane, the third exercise, you just spread your legs about double shoulders width, and then go straight down on one knee 3 times, breathing in as you go down and out as you come up, and then to the other knee, breathing in as you go down and out as you come back up. Remember, you're going straight down, you're not leaning. And on the fourth exercise, we have deep knee bends, back to shoulders width. Come up on your toes with your arms out. Come down into a deep bend, staying on your toes, and then back up, staying on your toes, and then drop your hands and your feet. Breathe however you like on this one. For the fifth exercise, we have rotating knees. Just put your feet together, rub your hands together to warm them up, hold onto your knees, and make large, slow circles 3 times in both directions.
breathing doesn't matter on this exercise. It doesn't really matter on the other exercises if you're just using it for stretching. I've seen this exercise with additional stuff added to it too, but I figured we'd go for the simpler version. Now let's go back over the whole thing as a set. We're starting with touching toes, breathing in as you go down and breathing out as you come back up. We do this one about 6 times. And then we move into 3 levels to the earth. Feet, shoulders width, arms spread apart. Breathing in as you go down, breathing out as you come up. Now dancing crane. Remember, you're going down and not diagonal. You're just bending the knee and going down. You should do about 3 times on each side. You can do more if you like, but 3 is a good number. Now we're on to deep knee bends. This one's probably going to be the hardest for most people because you go up on your toes and do most of the exercise on your toes. It's essentially a deep squat. Now we're on to rotating knees. We do about 3 times around in each direction. It's important to practice rotating the knees because in our modern life, we don't tend to rotate them as much as would be natural. And we're done.
So there you have it, guys. If you implement this daily or at least most days of the week, you are going to see some pretty significant results within about a month, and will probably be able to sit comfortably in the semi-lotus position in about 3 months. And I would not suggest increasing the number of repetitions because you can overdo it with stretching, and it's best to just only do the bare minimum necessary to get what you want done. That way you have more time to go and do important things for you. If you have any questions you'd like the answer to or any topics you'd like me to cover, please leave them in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to help us reach more people, please leave a like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I will see you on Tuesday.